Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to manage profile views on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. You have to click on notifications here. You can see here profile views by turning it on and off. If you turn it on, then you can see who view your profile. You will get notification, and if you see others profile, they will also get notification that you viewed their profile. If you turn it on, you both will not get notification. In this way, by turning it on and off, you can manage profile views on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.